really sorry. In the recent video I did, I was solving this question, but the video at a point in time break, so I decided to like reload the parts of the solution I've been able to cover, and then the complete part is this video. So I already talked about the question. I said a sector of a circle simply means a fraction, a part of a circle. So they said a sector of a circle of radius 6 cm subtends an angle of 105 at the center of the circle. We have to calculate the perimeter of the sector. Perimeter of the sector means the distance around that sector, and we are also asked to find the area of the sector. So I started with the perimeter of the sector. The perimeter of the sector simply means the distance around the sector. So if you look at the sector, what makes up the sector is the length of arc, which is this curved part of the sector, and two radii, two radius, which can be referred to as radii. So because of that, the perimeter of this sector will be given as the length of arc plus this radius and the second radius. So that is why you have it like this here. Length of perimeter of sector is equal to length of arc plus radius, which I now say that the length of arc is the L here now, and the radius plus radius, one radius plus another radius is two radius. Since the radius of a circle is always equal, radius of a particular circle is always equal. So because the distance from the center of the circle and every point around the circumference of the circle is always equal, so that's why the radius are equal. Then, so length of arc normally from mensuration is theta over 360 over 2 pi r, because length of arc is simply just a fraction, a part of the circumference of a circle. So that's why the formula is given as theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So because of that, having known the length of arc itself, which is this L, is theta over 360 times 2 pi r, we substitute it inside this formula. So that's where we got perimeter. I said this PR represents perimeter of sector is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r, which is the length of arc plus the two radius. So we're given the radius from the question, the theta, which is the angle that the sector subtends at the center of the circle. Then pi is a constant, which is always 22 over 7. So we started the solution in that recent video. So I go to this place. So on the course of trying to use the calculator, I mistakenly closed the video recording. So the video recorder rather. So I am going to complete it in this part now. So the final stage is to get the answer for this length of arc part, then add 12 centimeters to it. So from here, the calculator value, let me see, 2720, that's 2720. Sorry, 27,720 divided by 2,520. So that gave 11. So the length of arc itself is 11 cm. Oh, sorry, yeah, 11 cm. Then remember that the two radius was 12 cm. So the perimeter of the sector is therefore 11 plus 12, which will give us 23 centimeter. So 23 centimeter is the answer to that question. All right, so let's attempt the area. It said area of the sector. We have to find the area of the sector. So the formula for area of sector is simple, because area of a sector is just like area of a part of sector, area of a fraction of sector. So the area of sector formula is given as this, which I'm going to write. It is area of sector, which is the second part of the question. I think it's B or I. Area of sector is theta over 360 degree times pi r square. So our theta we already know is 105 degree, and 360 degree times 22 over 7 times the radius is 6 centimeter. I square it. So By multiplying the numerator, that's 105 times 22 times 6 square, which is 36. The answer is 831. The numerator value is 83,160, and this will be 360 times 7 will be 2,520. Let me confirm that again. 2,520, yes, 2,520. So finally, 83,160 divided by 2,520 will be 33 centimeter square. So the area of the circle is 33 centimeter square. The unit is very important. The area will always have square. The perimeter doesn't have square. Thank you very much.